Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and this is Monument. 2024 Fisker Pear electric crossover targets the cost of under $30,000. So Fisker is now accepting reservation for the Pear, the company's second model, which will be built in Ohio with delivery starting in 2024. So we're at least 3 years away from that, or at least 2.5 years. Now Fisker has announced that its second model, the Pear, will go on sale in 2024. The Pear will start at $29,900, slotting in below the Oceans in the Fisker's lineup. The Taiwanese electric maker, Foxconn, will build the Pear in Ohio, presumably in the same plant set to produce the electric Lordstown Endurance pickup truck. A representative from Foxconn confirmed a car and meet that it will build a Pear at the Lordstown, Ohio assembly plant, as we speculate originally. So Fisker Inc., which rose from the ashes of Karma-producing Fisker Automotive, has revealed one vehicle to date, the Fisker Ocean. Production of the Ocean is set to commence in November 2022. While there are still 9 months until Fisker delivers its first electric crossover, Fisker has already announced a second model, the Pear, will go on sale in 2024 and has made the ambitious claim that it will start at $29,000, which is quite significant. It's exactly what we need in the electric vehicle market. It's exactly what we need. Now the Pear, the name stands for Personal Electric Automotive Revolution, which will be a compact 5-passenger crossover slotting below the Ocean in Fisker lineup. As I've said before, Fisker is promising intuitive control, sporty driving, clever storage, and a focus on industry first. So while the Ocean will be built by Magna Steyr in Austria, Fisker is partnering with Taiwanese electric manufacturer Foxconn for production of the Pear. Foxconn will build the Pear in Ohio at the Lordstown assembly plant, which Foxconn purchased last year. Foxconn is also said to build the Lordstown electric endurance pickup truck at that same factory. So Fisker says delivery will start in 2024 with a maximum initial production of 250 units per year. That's incredible. That's absolutely incredible. If Fisker is delivering 250,000 vehicles by 2024, that's really bold. That's extremely bold, considering that they're delivering no vehicles right now. Considering that they don't even have their own manufacturing plant, no gigafactory. They're actually hiring other factories to build their own vehicles. That's not always a bad thing. It's good when starting out, but you have to think long term. And 250,000 vehicle is no small feat. So Fisker is now accepting reservation. Well, that's good. Customers are putting down roughly around $250 for the first reservation and $100 for a second reservation at a later date. Now additionally, Henrik Fisker takes another swing at electric car building. Henrik Fisker tells us that his goal is adjusted from sporty sedans to affordable electric SUVs, like the upcoming all-electric Fisker Ocean. Henrik Fisker most icon designs were Chick, BMW, and Aston Martin's, and the Fisker Karma was a sporty sedan. So it may seem like a leap to go from high-end toys to Fisker Ocean, a forthcoming affordable electric SUV, but he says it's a smart choice. The world's most sold segment is SUV. I've already designed lots of luxury cars. I don't have to prove that we can design a sports car. Other companies making EVs, they're making $100,000 vehicles. That segment will look crowded. The Australian manufacturer Magna Steyr is building the Ocean in front and all-wheel drive configuration. The base Ocean uses a 275 horsepower motor and offers a range of 250 miles. All-wheel drive, ultra, and extreme trim have 2 motors good for combined 540 and 550 horsepower respectively. Prices will start under $40,000. So Fisker Automotive ill-fated car, first car that is, the sharply Karma was a plug-in hybrid luxury car that beats Tesla Model S to market, but succumbed to financial and technical disasters. He's ready to try again with not just one, but multiple electric vehicles in various states of production. The Ocean is the closest to market, scheduled to begin delivery in November 2022. There's a mystery model called Pear, Personal Electric Automotive Revolution, and we've spoken about that earlier in this video. And that vehicle is slated to hit the road in 2024, starting at a price of below $30,000. not just the pricing of that vehicle, but if they actually get that vehicle to market by 2024, if they actually deliver up to 250,000 of those vehicles per year by 2024 or 2025, would be an absolute miracle. So what exactly went wrong with the Fisker Karma? So Henrik Fisker himself has said he was basically too early with that car. He thought that there must have been demand for a really cool, sexy, environmental friendly car. Reclaimed wood from California Fire, a vegan interior, which we call Eco Chic. It just went over everybody's head. We literally had people buying the car going, what's the plug-in or the side? It was an electric vehicle with a range extender, but people didn't care. They were putting gas in it, didn't bother to plug it in, didn't care about the reclaimed wood. This was more than a year before the Tesla Model S launched. Well, 3 fundamental things that Henrik Fisker learned from Karma, probably 4 things. 1, timing is everything. You've got to have enough money from the beginning to the end of the launch. And Henrik Fisker basically said he didn't want to really kick off this program until he had $1 billion. He also said you can't build something start, stop. So number 2, get all the money. And number 3, you have to look at technology and assess the risk. Battery is the biggest risk in electric cars. So he spent a long time working closely on a deal with CATL, Contemporary Apparex Technology Co., Ltd., a lithium-ion battery manufacturer. So what's number 4? Manufacturing of the vehicle, of course. We need a solid manufacturing partner. We ended up with 2, Magna Steyr and Foxconn, to do the Pear vehicle. And additionally, he also said that he's going into factory where people have worked for 20 years plus, where they're currently running luxury vehicles, where they're going to do the same thing, where BMW and Toyotas are being built by the same people. I mean, if that's not de-risking, I don't know what de-risking is. The quality of the car, in his view, is the most de-risk aspect of the entire project. So that's quite interesting, to be honest, and I really like his opinion. At first we thought it was an insult, but towards the end we really kind of understand his approach on electric vehicle building, and why he changed from just luxury electric vehicle to utility and family electric vehicle like an SUV that are just selling like hotcakes. So thank you to everyone who's watched until the end. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to see more, leave a like, leave a comment, and of course I will see you in my next video.